of knowledge who nurtured and guided our learners every step of the way. Atong pagpakan natin mga husgang teachers!
And finally, our distinguished school officials and administrators, whose leadership continues to steer this institution towards excellence.
Murag dapig-dapig na yun eh.
It is my distinct honor and privilege to introduce our guest speaker for today's recognition ceremony. Someone whose journey truly reflects the very essence of our theme. Filipino graduates lead with competence and character. Our speaker is not only a professional of remarkable dedication, but also a proud alumna of this institution. She once walked the same halls, sat in the same classrooms, and facing before us, and dreamed the same dreams that our awardees hold today. Her story stands as a powerful reminder that greatness can begin right here within the walls of this gymnasium. Driven by the passion for excellence, she continued her academic journey at Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, where she took a Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in Industrial Arts. Her dedication to her studies earned her the distinction of being a consistent Chancellor's Lister from 2018 to 2022, culminating in her graduation with a prestigious honor of magna cum laude. Her pursuit of excellence did not stop there. At present, she is further advancing her academic and professional growth as she takes up Master of Arts in Technology and Livelihood Education major in Industrial Technology, also at MSJIT. In addition to her academic requirements, she has also demonstrated her competence in technical skills, having successfully earned her national certificates, NC2, two NCs, Housekeeping and Bread and Pastry Production in 2023, and proof of her commitment to continuous learning and mastery of her craft. Indeed, her journey is a powerful testament that success is not defined by where we begin, but by how we persevere, grow, and rise above challenges. She embodies competence, character, and the true spirit of a lifelong learner. Her commitment to education and excellence is further exemplified by her research publication in the Journal of Education through Research Network, demonstrating that learning, inquiry, and professional growth never stops. Through perseverance, discipline, and unwavering commitment to her goals, she has transformed those dreams into reality. As a licensed professional teacher last 2023, and now a teacher one at Mainit High School, she has dedicated her life to shaping young minds, inspiring learners, and contributing meaningfully to the field of education. Her journey is a testament that success is not only measured by achievements, but also the character we build and the lives we influence along the way. Dear awardees, today's speaker is more than just a guest. She is a living proof that with hard work, resilience, and faith in oneself, you too can rise, lead, and make a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and honor that I present to you our guest speaker, a distinguished alumna, a scholar, and an inspiration to us all from the TVL track, Ms. Eliza Datas Alteta. Let us give her a warm, well-deserved applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. My due respect to our school leaders, most especially to the distinctive awardees and students of Ligan City National High School. Let me begin with a question. Kinsa diri ang nagtuo ng gamay na skill mao'y makapabago sa inyong kinabuhi sa future? Who among you believe that the small skills that you are learning today can change your life someday? Years ago, I was sitting exactly where you are right now, an ordinary student of ICHS. Sa Manilo, nagtanggupod ko, pero dili pa klaro ang dala. By the way, gamay ang pud ko nga tao, halata ang di ba? Okay, hindi nga usahay, ginabinuangan ko sa una. Kay gamay rin daw ko, umura ko daw ako mag-maabot sa life. But later on, people would say, small but terrible jay ka. And I realized, dili mong size, imong background, or kahimtang ang sugdanan sa imong kaugmaon, kundi ang imong determinasyon. I was once a part of the first batch of TVL Beauty Care and Nail Care, and that my original dream was to work abroad. But during my student days, isa pa nakapa-challenge sa ako kung saan ako paghuman sa akong pag-eskwela, na lisod man ang akong pahinta. So, inabunan sa akong pag-ampo, pag-iya sa akong mga ginikanan, ug discarded sa ako ang ginagamit, ang ako ang nakatunan ng mga skills dinhi mismo sulod sa City High. These skills serve as what I am today, and I owe that much to my previous teachers here in Ligan City National High School. A round of applause please to our dear teachers here in ICHS. Pagpaka na sila. Okay. Do you know what I did? Gigamit ako akong skills. Pag-massage, pag-makeup, manicure, para lang makakwarta. Kung nahimong pagaling ang isuki ang mga teachers, especially during my vacant time or lunch time. Yes, hindi ko na ipauna. Yes, I was still a student that time, but dagal-dagal ako kung nahimong ang mga suki. Aside from earning, ako ang nakatunan sa ang pagmamahimong sa independent, disciplined, and value-laden person. Luckily, I passed the SASE at MSU IIT, and gidalaga ko na ako ng skills na kasaygay ko from beauty services, tutoring, and even online teaching sa akong Let Review. And do you know, one of my proudest moments, in spite sa kapobrihon, tungod sa TVL skills na ako na-acquire dali nga school, nagatabang ko sa akong ginikanan. Ikabaw ko nga diling lalim ang ilang silent battle, and they wish for me to finish my studies. That for me is the meaning of success. Without our parents, wala kita dili karon sa City High. Wala mo diha karon dili ko. Okay? So palakpakan nato atong mga pinilanggang ginikanan, solo parents, grandparents, or guardians, no? Na nakasupport sa ato para lang na ata dili karon. With God's grace, I graduated magna cum laude in 2022, and I passed the LET in 2023. But let me say this clearly. I am not sharing this to brag, rather, I am sharing this to inspire everyone. Kung ako, mga ordinaryong PBL na student, nakaabot ani nga privileges and accolades, kamo pa kaha, I know, kasayad, kaya po kayo na ninyo. Basta ubanan lang, pagpalikamo, and I know, today, as you receive your medals, certificates, that is a manifestation of your dedication and hard work, never let somebody pull you down, and always carry your integrity. Is it true? Now, let me emphasize, according to the famous quote, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are eagerly to learn, no one can stop you. By George Frank Caprio. Meaning, learning is a choice. When your mind is open, growth becomes unstoppable, and no obstacle can stand in the way of determination. Sa ato pa, ang kapobrihon, dili babag sa imong mga pangandoy. Ikaw, kung ikaw radyo, ang matabang sa imong pangandoy. And today, you are taking your first step. Dream, believe, and survive. Another turning point in my life was becoming a Unipass scholar. Because of the support, na-inspire tayo kung ang mabalik o serbisyo. That's why I chose to become a teacher. Originally, the school would go abroad, but God had different plans for me. He opened the door at MSU IIT that led me to my purpose. From teaching in private school to becoming a deputy teacher assigned in Mainit High School. I can now say teaching is not just my job, it is my mission. And this connects to our theme, Filipino graduates prepare to lead with competence and character. My journey taught me that competence is your skill, what you can do. Character is who you are, especially when life gets hard. Because in life, skills will open doors that character will keep you there. Before I end, let me share these 3 simple reminders. First, value your skills. Ayaw ninyo ipaubos ang inyong nahibaluan. Instead, value it. Second, compete with yourself. Mas importante nga mas maayo ka karon kaysa kagahapon. Third, stay humble and be grateful. Dili natin makaya ang tanan nga kitaran. My biggest inspiration is my sister, Assistant Prof. Christine Noel Arteta Nabangge, who's also an alumna of this school too. And I would like to thank my senior high school teachers, Ma'am Vicente, Ma'am Jack, Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Mayan, Ma'am Cinco, Ma'am Tenorio, Ma'am Ems, and Ma'am Hera. Thank you for believing in me. To our awardees, always remember, your current situation is not your final destination. With this, padayon lang maski hinay-hinay, basta kanunay. Padayon sa pagdanggo, padayon sa pagkain, padayon sa pagpaningkamot. Anyway, who can tell that one day, somewhere and somehow, one of you will also share your inspiring story and stand here on stage, sharing your success story. God bless Awardees 2025-2026. God bless my alma mater, ICHF. Congratulations, everyone.
Let's give another round of applause to our keynote speaker.
Your words have not only motivated our learners, but also reminded all of us the importance of dedication, purpose, and excellence.
Indeed, that message will surely...
Workshop 2025 Project Pitching Competition First Runner-Up, Junior Eagles Leadership Award from NMR 22, ICNHLG Commission on Election and Appointed Service Award.
Conversations ato ang keynote speaker. So may I request all our dignitaries coming in front, okay, together with Ma'am Ellen and together with Ma'am Althea Bongawin and Ma'am Ginalyn Kiamco. So I'll be reading the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 10, Northern Mindanao Division of Iligan City. Iligan City National High School, a plaque of recognition is presented to Miss Eliza L. Arteta, LPT, in heartfelt appreciation for her distinguished and invaluable service as an alumna and guest speaker during the 2025 Grade 12 Recognition Day of Iligan City National High School. Her inspiring contribution has significantly elevated the prestige and success of this memorable occasion. Given this 27th day of March in the year of the Lord 2026, signed by our school principal for Mr. Richard S. Talain. A round of applause, please. Daghang salamat, ma'am. Okay, so picture.
Let us sing our hymn. Okay, everybody. The
Once again, congratulations